Hi everyone, this is Rob Roy of Elliott Wave Options, and welcome to this trade review of our recently closed trade ID number 316 on TNK. This is kind of a unique situation which goes to the methodology at Elliott Wave Options. So as we go through the trade review, you can see it was a long call in our impulse strategy. So initially a directionally based alert, 6 contracts, they weren't very expensive, of the No.316 strike call. So the entry was sent out in March, and you can see the pattern was a pretty good zigzag pattern to the upside with a potential target up around 17. Now, Elliott Wave is a great indicator, but as we know, no indicator is 100% accurate. Sometimes things don't pan out. Now, when that occurs, what do? There's systems out there that say, hey, just take the loss and move on. There's systems that say, if you hit a 50% loss, exit. But when you're a long-based option strategy, time decay is an issue, it's easy to show losses before the expected move occurs. Well, in this case, basically the pattern was a failure, but then when you looked at it, rather than just walk away, accept the loss and move on, there's a tradable pattern here, and that's what we do at Elliott Wave Options. We take every single alert on its own and see what's the best case scenario. Do we just walk away and take the loss and move to the next alert, or do we try to adjust the current alert if there is a discernible tradable pattern? Well, here you can see the stock was basing right at a level of support. This is kind of something that I refer to as the launch pad effect. When a stock goes sideways, especially at a support level, often you'll get a blast off, hence the launch pad effect connotation. And then with one of our favorite confirming indicators, the CCI, you can see there was upward building pressure. Even as the stock is going sideways, pressure is building to the upside from the CCI. That's a positive divergent sign. So rather than just walk away and accept the loss, we decided to make the adjustment and we added more calls. And that turned out to be the best thing to do. In this case, look what happened. We got the blast off effect. Pretty vertical move. Now we're overbought on a short-term basis. Time to go ahead and take the gains. Now, when you look at the time frame, you can say, well, wow, you were in that trade for a while, but would you be willing to accept a little bit longer time than the norm in a trade to turn either a 50 or 100% loser into a 44% gainer? I think most of you would. So again, good explanation of the methodology that we use at Elliott Wave Options to not just always accept a loss when things don't play out as expected. I hope you found that informative. I look forward to talking to you again next time. Take care, everybody. If you like these recordings, I'd like to invite you to join our new Trade Finder Live, where each and every week we do a live webinar where we talk about the market, but we also go a little more in depth into the technical analysis system that we utilize to forecast where the market's likely going to go, and also to identify trading opportunities. Get your free subscription today. Take care, everybody.